It's not your water, it's your water lines. In this training, we'll walk through the Sterisil SAFEWater solution, how to test your dental unit water lines, and how to shock them to maintain safe, compliant water for every patient. The Sterisil SAFEWater solution is a dental unit waterline safety protocol that's designed to maintain colony-forming units well below the CDC's 500 CFU per milliliter limit, keeping your practice compliant and your patients safe. It simplifies water safety by reducing it to 3 steps: test, shock, and maintain. CFU stands for colony-forming unit, and it's what we use to measure your DUWLs bacterial count. While the CDC's limit is 500 CFU per milliliter, Sterisil's treatment products are designed to keep your bacterial count 50 times lower at 10 CFU per milliliter. How does it work? Well, it's simple. Just test, shock, and maintain. Let's break it down. The first step in waterline maintenance is testing. Using the Sterisil FASTCheck15 test, you'll collect a sample directly from each unit and incubate it for 15 minutes. This provides a quick, in-office pass-fail result. Always test before shocking. This way, you can confirm your treatment protocol is working, and you'll have a clear benchmark for improvement if your results are above the limit. Follow along for how to use the FASTCheck15 dental unit waterline test. Step 1. Put on a new pair of gloves. Step 2. Flush your lines for 10 seconds. Steps 3 and 4 are to lay all of your materials out on a clean, flat surface and label your vials with the date and location. Now, you test. Collect your water sample in a clean cup, use the pipette to draw water from said cup, and place only 5 drops into the vial. Step 8 is to gently swirl. Step 9 is to place the vial on a flat surface and set a timer for 5 minutes. When the time is up, gently swirl again and place the test strip in the vial, arrows facing down.
Step 12 is to keep the vial on a flat surface and set a 10-minute timer. Finally, you can read and document your results on the My Solution Center portal. 1 line is a pass and 2 is a fail.
Best DUWL testing practices also include documenting your results, and some states even require it. Here's how to do it. The easiest way to access the My Solution Center portal is to navigate to cellmedics.com and click on the My Solution Center login in the top right-hand corner. If you already have an account, simply log in. But if you're new to the portal, create an account using your account number or the phone number and zip code associated with your practice. If this information is accurate, you'll be able to access the My Solution Center portal immediately. If you're unable to access the My Solution Center portal, please contact our customer service. Once you're logged in, click the Water Testing tab. Then, click Add New to log a new water test result. A form will automatically pop up for you to complete. Note the chair or operatory that this sample was taken from. Fill in this field with the name that your office uses for that op. For example, it can be Hygiene Op 1 or Dr. Smith's chair. Whatever you fill in here, make sure you always use the same name anytime you log test results for this so that the system can keep a history of that chair. Fill in the date of the sample, the water type, whether distilled, municipal, or tap water, and the tester's name. This is optional depending on what state you live in. Under the type of test, select In Office. Then in the next field, select FASTCheck15 from the drop-down menu. Check the box of the device that you took the water sample from. This is the one that you used the FASTCheck15 test strip on. Indicate whether the sample passed or failed. Remember that 1 stripe means the sample passed and 2 stripes means the sample failed. Then, hit the Upload Image button, navigate to where you saved your photo, and select the image file. Finally, you can add any additional notes here in the text field and indicate whether you want to be contacted by a waterline safety specialist for support. Click Submit to log your FASTCheck15 water test. By logging your FASTCheck15 test in My Solution Center, you'll always have access to your test results and a record of your last test results history. We recommend testing at least quarterly. If you ever fail a test, shock your water lines immediately and wait 2 days before retesting to verify successful treatment. If you continue to fail, contact Sterisil at 877-207-1551 option 1 or SterisilSupport@cellmedics.com. Sterisil also recommends shocking even if you pass to stay ahead of the biofilm problem. Step 2 of the Sterisil SAFEWater solution is your shock treatment. Citrisil Shock is a monthly, high-strength treatment designed to reset your lines and remove any biofilm that may have started to form. Citrisil Shock is recommended over bleach use and other methods because it's specifically formulated for dental unit water lines. This means it kills pre-existing odor-causing bacteria without using any oxidizers like iodine or chlorine, which is safer on your equipment, your patients, and your staff. Continue watching to learn how to use Citrisil Shock tablets. To start using Citrisil tablets, empty your operatory unit water bottle and refill it with 4 to 6 ounces of water. Drop the Citrisil shock tablet into the bottle. The tablet will effervesce upon contact with the water and turn your water orange. Swirl the bottle until the tablet is dissolved. Then, attach the bottle to the chair. Then, purge all handpiece water lines into a small container until you see the orange colorant come through. Stop the water flow once you see the orange color. This indicates that the shock treatment is in the lines. Repeat this step for each dental water line. Allow the shock treatment to stay in the lines overnight and preferably through the weekend. When you return the next business day, empty and refill the bottle. You now have treated water for your water lines. Repeat the shock process once per month. Remember, it's not your water, it's your water lines. Regular testing and shocking, combined with the daily maintenance of a Sterisil straw, will keep biofilm at bay and your water lines compliant, safe, and worry-free. Watch video 2 for the third and final step of the Sterisil SAFEWater solution.